Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Ehsan Chatta, Assistant Professor, Government Degree College, Chawatne. Dear student of the second year chemistry, let us learn about nucleophilic substitution reaction SN1 and SN2. Before starting the nucleophilic substitution reaction, we define a nucleophile, a species with an unshared electron pair react with alkyl halide substrate by replacing the halogen substituent known as leaving group. In nucleophilic substitution reaction, the carbon and halogen bond of the substrate undergo hydrolysis and the lone pair electron of the nucleophile is used to form a new bond to the carbon atom. A nucleophile is any negative ion or neutral molecule that has least one unshared electron pair. General reaction of the nucleophilic substitution reaction as written as nucleophile OH react with alkyl halide to form the intermediate complex and leaving group halogen leave from this complex. To be good leaving group, the substituent must be able to leave the relatively stable weakly basic molecule or ion. In alkyl halide, the leaving group is halogen substituent. It leaves as halide ion. Because halide ion are relatively stable and very weak bases, they are good leaving group. Nucleophilic substitution reaction as an SN2 reaction, the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of methyl chloride as well as the concentration of hydroxide ion. The reaction is second order overall. The reaction is first order with respect to methyl chloride and first order with respect to hydroxide ion. So, both the power of one alkyl halide and one hydroxyl group, the sum of the exponent will be equal to 2, so that it is bimolecular substitution reaction. The mechanism of the bimolecular substitution reaction, the nucleophile attack the carbon bearing the leaving group from back side. The bond between the nucleophile and the carbon atom is forming and the bond between the carbon atom and leaving group is breaking. Configuration of the carbon atom become inverted during SN2 reaction. Because bond formation and bond breaking occur simultaneously in single transition stage, the SN2 reaction is concerted reaction. The mechanism of SN2, the OH act as an base, react with methyl chloride. At the same time, it attack on back side, chloride leave from front side. In transition state, bond breaking and bond formation is represented with bond formation with red color and bond breaking with blue color with chloride. And ultimately, chloride leave from here as a nucleophile and OH attach from the back side of the alkyl halide. Free energy diagram of the transition state at the reactant nucleophile attack to alkyl halide, the free energy of the transition state increases and it reach the activation energy and then again it change to the product and decrease the energy from the free energy change. This is about the energy change. Stereochemistry of the reaction. The stereochemistry in which the leaving group from the side from which it leave the hydroxyl group जो है वो attached to the opposite side of the halogen side. So this is the inversion of the configurations. Nucleophilic substitution reaction are the second order reaction. The rate of the depends upon the four factors: nature of the substrate, it means alkyl halide, the power of nucleophile, number third, the ability of the leaving group to leave the substrate, number four, nature of the solvent. Number one, consider the nature of the substrate. Alkyl halide, those in which backside of the alpha carbon is not blocked, will react in SN2 reaction, that will be such as first the primary methyl substituted, then primary, other primary alkyl halide, then secondary alkyl halide, and most least reactive are the tertiary alkyl halide in this SN1 mechanism. The effect of the nature of the substrate on the rate of SN2. If the more the substituent attach, less will be the reactive. The least reactive here are the tertiary, then more reactive are the secondary, and more reactive than the primary, and least reactive primary were the methyl group. Effect of the nucleophile on the rate of reaction. The alpha carbon in vinyl and aryl halide, as in tertiary carbocations, is completely hindered, and these alkyl halide don't undergo SN2 reactions such as vinyl bromide, bromobenzene. The overlapping of the p orbital from the pi bond in vinyl and aryl alkyl halide completely block the access of nucleophile to the back side of the alpha carbon. So, the reaction cannot take place. Consider the power of the nucleophile. Bisulfate ion, similarly disulfate ion, and carboxylic acid, all they are very weak acid, very weak reactivity. Alcohols, nitro group, and water, they are also very weak but more than the reactivity. Bisulfate, hydrogen sulfate, and carboxylic acid. Fluoride, chloride, acetate, ammoniums, and thio alcohols, all they are fairly reactive. Nitride, bromide, hydroxyl, and methoxide, these are the good, have a power of the nucleophile. And cyanide, hydrogen sulfide, alkyl sulfide, methyl phosphide, amide, Grignard reagent, iodide, and hydride, all they are very good nucleophile. Their activity is almost more than the other as compared to other. The considering the nature of the living group, the living group जो है वो has the negative charge. Group with best stabilized negative charge are the best living group. As in given table, bromide is the best living group, then bromide, and then chloride, then fluoride, then less reactive OH, hydroxyl ion, ethoxide ion, and then amide ion. Iodide is very good living group as well as good nucleophile as a non-basic. Hydroxyline is poor living group and because hydroxyline is good strong base. Consider the nature of the solvent. Product solvent which contain the OH and amino group. Product solvent slow down the SN2 reaction. Polar solvent like acetone which contains strong dipole but no OH and amine NH2 group. Polar A product solvent speed up the SN2 reaction. Non-polar solvent hydrocarbons are relatively have a non-polar solvent and they generally favor the SN2 mechanism. Product solvent water, methanol, ethanol, carboxylic acid, they are forming cluster around the solvent it and lower its energy and stabilize them and reduce its reactivity via hydroiodine. So, the product solvent decrease the reaction mechanism of the SN2 reaction. Effect of the solvent polar A product solvent solvate the cations counter ion of the nucleophile but not the nucleophile. Example include the acetonitrile, acetone, dimethyl, formamide, and dimethyl sulfo dioxide. These are the example of A product solvent. Polar A product solvent solvate metal cation leaving the anion counter and bare and the more reactive as compared the A product ion with no bare ion. Effect of the solvent on the rate of SN2 reaction. Non-polar solvent benzene, carbon tetrachloride, hexane do not solvate the and stabilize the nucleophile. Hence, non-polar solvent जो है वो increase the rate of SN2 reaction. Effect of solvent on SN2 reaction do not require the polar and A product solvent. No alcohol or amines are needed in SN2 mechanism. Why? Because the hydrogen bonding with nucleophile can occur, slow down the reaction. Polar A product solvent also do similarly dimethyl sulfoxide DMSO, dimethyl formamide, similarly hexamethyl phosphomide do similarly as do the polar solvent. SN2 condition summary substrate methyl is more reactive than primary and less reactive than secondary and least reactive is the tertiary. Nucleophile negative charge is more reactive than the neutral. Leaving group is that is good which stabilize the negative charge. Solvent needed to be polar and A product. And SN1 reaction mechanism. SN1 reaction mechanism is tertiary butyl bromide when react with the sodium iodide in rapid reaction. The leaving group leave from the sides and hybridization state changes and sp3 hybridizing changes to sp2 hybridizing and bond angle become 120 for the nucleophile attack on the both side, forward and backward as well. Alkyl halide essentially insert the substituent by the SN2 mechanism because of steric hindrance at the backside of the alpha carbon. Despite the tertiary alkyl halide undergo the nucleophilic substitution action and leaving the halogen Yarred present leaving group. SN1 substitution are the first order action. They obey the first order kinetics. They only depends upon the slow step of the reaction, which is the leaving group from alkyl halide. Rate depends upon the concentration of the reactant of the alkyl halide, not the nucleophile. Order of reactivity is the tertiary are more active than secondary, then primary, and then vinyl group, vinyl bromide, then least active is phenyl, and most least active is the methyl bromide. The rate of SN2 reaction, the rate of SN1 reaction depends upon the nature of substrate alkyl halide, stability of the leaving group, nature of the solvent, rate independent of the power of nucleophile. Stability of the carbocations. Dear student, you know the tertiary carbocation is more stable than the secondary and primary one. So the S11 mechanism is mostly favored by the tertiary alkyl halide and SN2 favored by the primary alkyl halide. Secondary depends upon the substituent present. The main reason is the stabilization of the carbocations by hyperconjugation, by partial overlap of alkyl group, alkyl carbon to hydrogen bond with empty p orbital of the carbocations, as given in diagrams. Stability of the carbocations. Allyl and benzyl halide react quickly by SN1 reaction because their carbocation are usually stable due to their resonance form, which delocalize charge over an extended pi system. Relative reactivity of the carbocations. Tertiary allylic carbocations are more stable than the secondary allylic carbocation than the primary allylic carbocations. And then the example of the other primary carbocations with one methyl group, with one carbon atom, and then least is the phenyl and least one is the methyl. Effect of the nature of the leaving group on the SN1 mechanism. The nature of leaving group has the same effect on the both SN1 and SN2 reaction. Better the leaving group, faster the carbon positive form, hence faster will be the SN1 reaction. The leaving group usually have the negative charge. Group with best stabilize the negative charge are the best leaving group. For example, iodide, most reactive one leaving group, most leaving group, good leaving group, then bromide, then less chloride, fluoride, more or less, hydroxyl, ethoxide, and amide, least one. Effect of solvent. In SN1 reaction, solvent effect on the rate of reaction influence the stabilization of the transition stage. Nucleophile is not involved in the rate determining step. The solvent affect the nucleophile, do not affect the rate of SN1 reaction. Generally, solvent have no effect on SN1 reaction. Polar solvent, both protic and aprotic, will solvate and stabilize the charge transition carbon positive ion, lowering the activation energy and accelerating the SN1 reaction. Non-polar solvents do not lower the activation energy and thus make the SN1 reaction relatively slower. Thank you, student. Allah Hafiz.